Yeah, ZoneOut, Freeme, it's PC, it's easy. Look, let's take it to OG levels. What? Would you rather be a mosquito or a firefly? Cause they clap for mosquito and they stare at the firefly. They wonder what happens when the fire dies. Does it mean it's dead or does it mean it's paralyzed? Will it go to heaven or hell? And if the mosquito bite person as well, will it live long to tell the story of when it arrived at the studio at night? Saw Peter Clarke recording, pressed on his neck and took a bite. That's when I slapped my neck and it died. I closed my eyes, bet Baba got for bacon and a bottle of Sprite. Because my bank account was empty and my pocket was shy. Was chasing dreams, but my dreams know they send me with light. But now the ginger's on 100. It's on 100, my shorties are all imported. We ballin' beyond the budget, shit's wavy, flowing like a broken faucet. I don't change out for death, now the story's all distorted. They didn't wanna look at us, they prefer to stare at boobies. I began to watch myself, I'm something like a scary movie. Rated 18, I dated a queen, she's the queen of space. So I spit the truth in the booth, yo, you should be afraid. Because I did paradise, I'm on my way to paradise. Sometimes I feel so helpless, though I feel so paralyzed. I'm not a small boy in my mama's eyes, so I gotta swing into action every day. I know if you dramatize, take me to the hospital, I'm sick of life. Life is a paradox, it's making me have sleepless nights. I have a headache, yes, I need some ice. So I go buy me some diamonds, spend some money till I'm feeling nice. Look, I've been feeling left out, sometimes I feel neglected. I think I lost my mind, I can't remember where I kept it. That's why I've made a choice and I expect you to respect it. Competition is welcome, beating you is my objective. And they say a Rolling Stone, God has no moss. In the same vein, a moving plane, God has no dust. Try to stop me while I'm my brother, y'all go boss. I swear the only time you profit is when I'm at a loss. I'm at a loss for words, please pass me the Tessa Russell. No be by lyrics anymore, now by the best chorus. But I'm on points in my head, I'm a rhinoceros. Jump on a joint, leave it dead, don't call the cops on us. I've got bars, I don't need detention. Before they vex, let me address the tension. There is something I mustn't fail to mention. Tension in you guys wasn't my intention. My last song is my first impression. Please understand me, I love rhythm and blues, but my lyrics are alarming, I'm allergic to snooze. So when you see Peter Clarke on and Danny talking to tools, don't be confused, I just became the king of the juice. It's OG levels.